And hopefully this video can inspire you guys to want to pick up a pen or a pencil, whatever you draw on, and go out there and make something beautiful.
Alright, so this time I'll be drawing Sam Does Art. Sam Does Art is a digital artist, and he tries to reduce the amount of detail he puts in his work and still achieves quality. So it's like, instead of going deep to put in the textures, he just does a simple brush stroke and then all the textures are revealed to you. I mean, that's all that matters. As long as you know what is there, that's all that matters. So yeah, today I'll be drawing Sam Does Art, and this is not just because he's good at what he does, but because he's been inspiring a lot of people with his tutorials and roasting videos and reviewing TikTok videos. That's really helpful. It's helping us to know where to look at when we are watching videos online. So yeah, let's just get right into it.